We are building the LEGO Disney Princess Aurora's Forest Cottage set today, 43188. This set is made up with 300 pieces and 2 very amazing Disney minifigures. There are also a few very cute animal figures in the set too. The retail price for this set is $59.99. However, you should be able to get it for below retail price quite easily. I got mine for around $39. I think you can potentially get it for even less than that. This pretty much applies to all LEGO Disney sets. Other than retired sets, everything that's currently available, they will pretty much be heavily discounted at some stage. So if you're not in a massive rush in getting new release sets, definitely worth waiting for better prices. This one looks like a half-sealed cottage. You can see the open side on the back of the box with the internal details. 300 pieces should take less than an hour to complete. If you like my videos, please don't forget to click the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Let's open it and see what it looks like inside. We've got 3 bags of bricks all together, 1 loose beige base plate, and 1 little sticker sheet, also 1 instructions book. I will finish building the set now, then we can have a look at the details together. After that, I will add the completed set to my LEGO town. Let's go! Our LEGO Disney Princess Aurora's Forest Cottage set is now completed. I think it only took about 30 minutes to complete the build, and it's a pretty small set, as you can see. There are a few very pretty details and a little bit of a play feature with this set. Let's now have a closer look at the details together. This is our completed LEGO Disney Princess Aurora's Forest Cottage set. This set is made up with 2 separate elements, Aurora's cottage and a forest bridge. The first minifigure is our evil queen. You can see very elegant patterns on her gown with very shiny silver lining, a fabric cape on her back. She's holding her wand, and her helmet is a softer silicone texture. There's an angry evil crow next to her. Our other minifigure is our princess. Very beautiful blonde hair. I've put a little crown on her hair. You can also see very shiny patterns on her dress, very well printed. She's holding a basket with some fruit she's picked from the forest, exactly what you would expect a Disney princess to do. Other than the minifigures, we have a few animal figures in the set too. There's a crow next to our evil queen. We've got a frog, squirrel, bunny, a deer, and a beautiful blue bird. The smaller component of this set is the bridge. The bridge is framed with some golden branches and leaves and pink studs on 4 corners of the bridge, which makes it match with the main feature of our build. The main building of our build is obviously the cottage. You can see a lot of elements that makes it look like a cottage, such as the colors and the patterns of the wall and the window. However, you can also see some elements that makes it look like not just any cottage, but a Disney princess cottage, such as the golden windows, the pink curtain and doors, pink branches and blue leaves on our tree. The very bright yellow and pink bricks are the very signature colors of Aurora. Turning it around, you can see this is only a half-sealed building, so the back is completely open. We can see the details very clearly. There's an upstairs bedroom with a pink side table. The patterns on the bed and on the picture are all stickers. We have a little book in the shelf here with a printed brick inside. Looks like a bedtime fairy tale story. Downstairs we have a kitchen and dining area. There's a table with a croissant and a pink teapot and cup. There's a bit of a storage barrel in the corner with a candle on the top. Strangely, there's actually a yellow toad inside the barrel. On this side we can see a fireplace and a chimney. There's a fire brick used here, some patterns on the wall, which are all stickers. It looks like a warm drink in our pot here. The stove and pot are also pink. A spinning wheel on the side, made up with gold and purple bricks. There are some transparent blue bricks inside, which will rattle around as you start wheeling. So the wheeling motion pushes the chimney up and down. Given it's a princess cottage, it's not just smoke coming out of the chimney, also got sparkling stars coming out of the chimney. I think it's a relatively simple set to make. Didn't take too long at all. Very pretty and bright colors. I think it makes a very nice display item. I'll add this set to my Lego Disney section now and see what it looks like. I've added the forest cottage to our Lego Disney section now. I have very little structure with the design of this area at the moment. It's kind of just randomly placed around, but I think it's a kind of thing that just comes together as you build it up. However, do welcome any opinions and ideas you have. Please leave a comment below and let me know how I should lay out this section going forward.